Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to change color scheme on Twitter. So let's start. First open a browser and go to twitter.com. And your homepage will load. Here you can see the basic color scheme of Twitter. The background is white and the whole color scheme is blue. But this color scheme is changeable. On the left hand side you will see a menu. Now tap on More. Then go to Settings and Privacy. Now tap on Accessibility, Display and Languages. Then tap on Display. Here you can change the font size as you like. You can also change the color scheme. And you can see the button color and the scheme color has been changed. You can choose amongst these colors. I'll select this purple one. You can also change the background. You can set it to dim and lights out. The lights out is the dark mode and all the changes is saved instantly. Now if you go to the home page, you will see the whole color scheme has been changed. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.